Hi guys, how are you today? In my previous video I told you how to play with the settings in such a way to increase your edge on the market. So in this video I will continue. I will show you one indicator, very simple one, and is accessible from MT4 or MT5. You can use it anytime and it will increase your edge. I assure you, you will make good money just using this indicator. So listen carefully, because during this video I'll give you all the settings and I'll give you all the details. So let's start the rock and roll. So look, it looks like that. It's just simple indicator. It's accessible from over here from the indicators. I'll tell you just in a moment how it works. The more important thing is the settings. The settings I found the settings for this indicator. It will give you a big chance to make a very good money. So if you are a beginner or you are fighting with the market, just stay with me and watch carefully. I give you all the details later on. So it looks like that. We got such a situation. Let me make it bigger. When the indicator crosses above this funny line, you just buy it. It doesn't give you a chance to buy at the very bottom. It never happens. Don't try to catch bottoms or tops. Anyway, as you see, when you catch here, it crossed, let's say, yeah, this area. Put some stop loss. This is for our chart, so stop loss should be 50-70 pips. So we got 63 pips, let's say. That's the stop loss. So you got the signal over here and all the way up. As you see, the market went down 30-40 pips and started and made 190 pips nearly. So that's one thing. So basically you can keep it till it crosses just over here. I'll show you. So it started here and just getting out should be somewhere in this area or whatever. I would go out probably here and wait for the signal for selling. So that what happens. Later on, as you see, the market went here, still jumped out over here. That was the signal. But it's slightly too late. That's not the good place to buy over here after such a signal, because the market already made, look, such a long way from 20th of August till 21st of September, 1 month long period. So we should look for selling at the moment. First selling signal we've got here, over here. Look, here's the selling signal. The price crossed below the upper line, this line, yeah. So we should sell somewhere over here in the bottom. Where is the top? We got 60 pips stop loss. We should be probably, the market should probably stop us out over here with this candle. But look at this wick. We are just waiting for a signal when the long wick appear, or the formation which shows us that the market is going to reverse. This is the first one, the second time, the third time, the fourth time. Look what market's doing here. Anyway, you got 3 times you will lose over here, yeah, because this first signal losing. It's not the buying area. We are by here in the bottom. Here, when the indicator is so high, we are trying to sell. So I said once, twice, the third time we buy here. And probably when we sold over here, this way, this area, we should get stop here at this top. It's 80 pips, but you know, you can get smaller size of the position. So as soon as you get here, the third signal, you got it here somewhere. When it broke here, you got 90 pips, let's say. But all the way down, the market went 230 pips or 270 pips, if you wish. Here we got the next one, next signal, 1 Would it work here? Not, it wouldn't, but with the stop loss here, probably you would get stopped out here. So, but the next signal is here, it wouldn't work. Neither here it wouldn't work. But the third one would pay us all the money back. So it's like 130 pips. Probably we would be square or with a small loss on this position. So again, no selling signal here, no selling signal. Here we got buying signal. That's the one. That's the one. We're buying signal, so we buy probably. Here was the signal. We are buying here. We got stop loss like 80 pips. And again, market went down. Tried to get out. Probably we would get break even or with a profit of 100 pips. So here is this the bottom line, so we don't use it. But here we got buying signal again, and that's the one. We buy here. We put stop loss pretty big, 60 pips. Probably I would move break even after the second candle, so probably I would get a small profit. That's how it looks like. Another one and another one. You can try it. The next thing you can do with this CCI, guys, you can apply moving average to the indicator, and it will give you a clear picture of the market, so you will know when to buy and when not to buy. It's even better. So you might look here. We got signal over here on this candle. So we buy here, and the stop loss we just leave on the last candle, 50 pips, 100 pips. Here we got selling signal. The indicator went below moving average again over here. So we got the signal. We just sell here, 50 pips, and the profit we got what we've got, whatever here. The next one, as you can see, again, the indicator crossed above moving average. We put 50 pips stop loss, take profit about 100. The same story is further down. So this is the tip for you guys. Just get 50 pips stop loss, take profit 150, and so on. As you can see, the next one, 50 pips stop loss, 130, take profit. Next one over here, stop loss, 50 pips, take profit 100. So as you see, easy. Just try it. So the indicator which I use over here is simple indicator called Commodity Channel Index. That's the one, Commodity Channel Index. And the settings of the index are, I've got over here 352. It's a period of that indicator. So once again, 352 instead of usual 14 or 21, whatever is there. And the levels are 111 and minus 111. Guys, I recommend you this indicator. Try it. It's worth. Happy trading. If you like this video, please subscribe. Give me a like button. Write in the comments what would you like me to do next, what would you like to see. We might discuss it later on. Write in the comment. Don't forget to subscribe and give me a like button if it helped you in any way. Have a good one. Thank you. Bye-bye.